Alright guys, so this is a continuation from the earlier video when we're preparing the BRS. So I'm going to read bullet number 2. Credit card sales appear on the bank statement as 32,300, but in the CIJ it is 23.2. The bank statement is correct this error. So it's going to be 32.3, and if we get the difference with 23,200, the difference will become 9,100. So the credit card sales appear on the bank statement as that, but in the CIJ the bank statement is correct. So the CIJ is understated by 9,100. So I come here, I add 9,100. Okay, and then we come now to information F, which says the items in the journals but that don't appear in the June bank statement. So they are in the journals but not in the June bank statement. There's an EFT number 633 for 24.8 dated 30 June in the CPJ. So they're telling us that we have an EFT of 24,800, which is not appearing. So what do we do? This then becomes our outstanding EFT. Remember, if it is in the journals but not on the bank statement, we take it to the BRS. So I'm going to bring it here, and then I'm now going to say, remember, I debit outstanding EFTs. Debit my outstanding EFTs. And how much is that EFT? It is 24,800. Okay, let's quickly go to the next one. It says cash deposit 34,620 dated 30 June for sales. All right, so we have a cash deposit that is also outstanding. So I credit my outstanding deposits, and how much is that? 34,620. I credit my outstanding deposit. And then it says the June bank statement reflected a balance of that. So I can now close my journals. Let me start from my journals. In my journals, I'm now adding everything that is in my journals. Okay, grab your calculator. So you're going to take your 47 to 20, and then your 36.4, and then your 15.3, and then your 9.1. That is going to give you 108,020. And then I'm also going to add this side, which is your 97, your 2.8, your 1,250, your 880, 2160, and your 11,000. That is going to give me 115,950. So I'll take these totals now. I'm going to say here's my total receipts. Okay, total receipts from the CRJ, and how much is that? 108,020. Okay, so I'm going to take now my total payments from the CPJ. How much is that? This one here, 115,950. And then I'm going to add up everything now. So I'm going to look for the side with the highest amount, whereby you have your 49,000. Remember, it's your 49,700, and you're adding 115,950. That is going to give you 165,650. 165,650. Therefore, you're going to get your balance here, your balance carried down. So you're going to get the difference between 165,650 and your 108. You subtract 108,000. You're going to get an amount which is now 57,630. 57,630. So you come here, you have your balance brought down 57,630. That becomes your balance as per bank account. You can see it is also on the credit side. That means when I come here now, I'm going to put it again on the credit side. Balance as per bank account. Remember, how much did I get? 57,630. 630. It was a credit balance as per bank account. That is a credit balance as per bank account. So I'll then close off. I look for the side with the highest amount, so it's going to be 102 820, 102 820, here 102 820. Then I now say 102 820 minus 23,000 and minus 24,800. Then I'm going to get my balance as per bank statement, which is 55,020. And this is your debit balance. Debit balance as per bank statement. And here I got my balance as per bank account. Okay, so it is very important that you know how to do this one. Okay, there is another question that I also received which wants me to explain the creditors reconciliation. As soon as I get time, I'm going to do that and I'm going to send it through. Okay, keep the questions coming in. All right, cheers, bye bye.